Today, I'm feeling pumpkin core. There's some remnants of my urticaria on my face today. 5 in the morning, it was pretty bad. Now it's calmed down a lot. I'm just a girl. We're gonna go in with this rose toner. Feels so good on my skin. Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. Today's look is inspired by this person, Lunatic Bat. It seems like it's a good balance between being creepy and kind of glam at the same time, mixing a little spooky, and you got an Amna. Maybe I shouldn't have worn this shirt. Maybe I should have worn something a little... This is a cute top I haven't worn in a minute. I'm gonna glue my eyebrows down with Elmer's glue. Today I will pack on my RCMA powder with a compact brush instead of a sponge. Huda Beauty Easy Blur in Angel Food. The foundation I will be applying with a sponge today though. House Labs Triclone Concealer in Fair Neutral. Probably don't need to be doing this because I'm gonna be making my eyes black, but I'm doing it. More RCMA powder. This was gifted to me on Christmas. I never used it. This Makeup Revolution palette. I'm gonna be using this orange right here. Another gift I recently got was this Pat McGrath blush. This is what it looks like. It's the shade Paradise Venus. I think it's gonna be great to kind of deepen up some of these tones. Going in with that orange and then contour more details around my eyes, brow bone a little more prominent, but also making it look a little more angry around your inner eyebrow. Just bring up the shading. It's automatically gonna make you look like you're going. And then I'm just gonna bring it down my nose as well. We're gonna go right back in with that Pat McGrath and deepen in those colors. I'm gonna go in with a flat angle brush and that same blush, and I'm kind of just going to trace out where I want my eyebrows to be. Good enough. Paradise Makeup AQ palette. Gonna go in with this flat angle brush, the color black, and draw some super thin eyebrows. If that's not giving cunty, I don't know what is. That's the cuntiest brow I've ever made. Oh, they're not the same. They're not the same. I look like A South Park character. These are South Park eyebrows. Yeah. Now we have to make them angry. Do that. I'm going to make a wing. This is extra fun when you have wrinkly eyelids. You get to play the guessing game. Is it even? It's not even. It's not even. I think that's better. Her nose is a little more skeleton. I'm gonna make my nose a little triangle. I've had this random black pencil in my makeup kit forever. I don't know where it's from, but I use it to line my lips sometimes. I'm lining my lips for no other reason than just pure habit. NYX Lingerie XXL in Naughty Noir. It's kind of giving cat. So we're gonna make a smile. All the way, baby. All the way. Pumpkins do have big ass smiles. I'm gonna make triangles. You can Ooga booga. In my Blend Bunny Blends palette, I'm gonna go in with Nevermore. I'm gonna go in with barley and go in my inner corner right here. Give it a pop of color. I'm gonna go back in with that Revolution palette and pick up this color. My nose, the inner corners of my eyes, my brow bone. I'm gonna use these lashes. Milani Highly Rated Tubing Lash Extensions Mascara. I'm gonna put on my final accessories and I'll be right back. All right, this is the final look. Once again, I have my dead eyes in, so I can't really see what it looks like, but it looks pretty good before I put my dead eyes in. I do have a tendency of getting carried away, but maybe I shall try something more simple tomorrow. Let me know what you think of this look. Would you wear it as your Halloween costume? Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.